What's going on, guys? It's James with the game from Big J Snow Removal and Lawn Care. It's Tuesday. We got like 7 to do. I had 10, but it's not happening. Definitely not happening. But I got 7 to do. I'm at the first property now. I'm getting ready to get it in. It's 9:21. Usually take me about 45 minutes to do this property. I hope it don't, but usually about 45 minutes. So we about to get to it. All right. Y'all, I'm on episode 17. I hope y'all tapping in, because guess what? I'm on episode 17. Bruh, working, and I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna keep grinding, keep working, keep going hard, cutting grass. I'm building this for my boys, man. I'm doing this for my boys. Cause I know they're not gonna want to work for nobody. So I'm doing this for them, man. So I'm gonna build this thing up. You see, I have my son working with me now. He only 11. So by the time both of them get 15, 16, they're gonna be full time running the truck. I'll probably be with them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's what it's about. What you gonna leave your kids when you go, man? What you gonna leave them? Huh? A popping Instagram page? Some watches, some jewelry, some debt? Nah, man, leave these babies something, man, they can build off of when you going. All right? But that's what it is, man. I'm done talking. It's episode 17, bro. 17. I think I started my channel 30 days ago, so I just been working every day, going hard. I hope y'all tapping in. Yeah, man. All right, guys. At the first property. About to get it in real quick, get up out of here. I'm trying to beat the heat, but that ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. It's game time. Let's All right, guys, it's 10:26. Just wrapped it up. Looking good. All right. Looking good. All right. Let's take a walk up. Matter of fact, no. Go this way. It's a good joint. We done. Done. Yeah. Super small one. Right there. Took me 4 minutes. Tops, 4 minutes. All right, now, this next one though ain't gonna be so easy. And that's literally right around the corner. Remember, I be telling y'all, man, keep them routes tight, bruv. It just makes sense. Damn, this shit tight. Shoot. Alright, yeah, keep them routes tight, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how, when I say tight, I'm gonna show you what I mean by tight. So I just came from my first property. So from my first property to my second property was a 6-minute drive. My second property to my third property was a 30-second drive. All right. Ooh, I got a parking spot. All right. You're here already. See what I'm saying? Bam. And that's how you do. I'm at the next property. Getting to it. We about to get to it. Ooh, I think I might have found me a new cone. Look, got a joint on it. Oh, I'll say Philadelphia. I ain't going Brody. But yeah, man. It's game time, y'all. It's like, oh shit. It's my next victim. Let's get it. Finished up, looking good. I'm feeling like it's looking good. All right, I'm about to weed whack a little bit more and I'm out of here. But for the most part, we done. See you guys in a second. What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game, and as you can see, it's coming. I thought I'd be able to beat it, but I can't. So I'm ready to take it in. It's over. If it don't go too hard, nah, I'm done for the day. But if for some reason it pass over us, I'm getting back out. Bruh, I just seen a whole crew of guys just right now, still cutting, raining, lightning, thundering. I'm not working in on lightning, bro. All right, guys. So I'm at the first property. I ain't been here in about 2 weeks. A lot of grass going out the concrete. A lot of grass. Gotta take care of all that, but shouldn't take me too long. It's 9:11 now. See how long it take me. Shouldn't take me too long though. Let's get to it. right back at it. Gotta do these bushes real quick. These joints terrible. Oh, so she got her side done. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. Okay, let's get it.
Today in this heat, are you all right?
Yeah.
You need water?
No, I got some in the cooler.
God.
Yeah, it's not that bad, but
It's not.
we gonna look from here. We ain't even going. We out, bruv. We out of here. I went to pull off. Yeah, I went to pull off and forgot I had a whole nother yard to do on this block. Trash. Trash. feel about them stripes, bruv? How y'all feel about them stripes? See you later. I'm at the laundromat washing my clothes because I can't wash my clothes with their clothes. Last season I had the whole house itching. Everybody had a poison ivy, a ringworm, something.